Before we go any further, I just want to let you know the platform that we're going to be using to launch our products. Now, I'm going to leave it up to you to launch your products on whichever platform that you prefer, but this is the platform that I recommend. It's the platform that I use, and this is Warrior Plus. So just go to warriorplus.com if you've never heard of it and look through it. They've got a lot of amazing features. One of my favorite things about this platform is that unlike other affiliate networks or other platforms where you can launch products, it makes it real easy for affiliates to find your offer. So this is great for those of you who are just starting out and don't have a JV list yet, or you don't have a list of affiliates that you could notify of your upcoming launches. You can just list your offer here and affiliates will find your offer. Now, what type of products do well on this platform? It is catered to the internet marketing niche or make money online niche, and basically almost any type of product does well on here, whether it be a software, a done-for-you solution. It could be products for local marketers. It could be products with resale rights or private label rights. It could be a simple ebook on how to make money online. It could be a package of graphics and stock videos. Almost any type of product will do well on this platform as long as the marketing is good and it's in the internet marketing niche. Of course, I'm not going to guarantee that your launches are going to be successful. So experience and persistence is very important here. The more you launch products on here, the more you'll be familiar with which products do well and which products outperform other types of products. And you can make adjustments based on the results that you're getting and the observations that you make through your experience of launching products on this platform.